Welcome to Misoo English Coloring. Today, you will learn 10 ocean animals in English. Listen carefully. Repeat after me.
Plankton, plankton.
What do whales eat?
Tiny plankton.
Plankton, plankton.
Seaweed. Seaweed. What's green in the sea?
Seaweed.
Seaweed. Seaweed.
Swordfish, swordfish.
What has a long nose?
A swordfish. Swish.
Swordfish, swordfish. Barracuda, barracuda.
Who swims fast and sharp?
Barracuda. Zoom.
Barracuda, barracuda. Manta ray, manta ray.
Who glides like a plane?
Manta ray. So big.
Manta ray, manta ray. Moray eel, moray eel.
Who hides in rocks?
Moray eel. Peekaboo.
Moray eel, moray eel. Pufferfish, pufferfish.
Who puffs up when scared?
Pufferfish. So round.
Pufferfish, pufferfish. Anglerfish, anglerfish.
What has a light on its head?
Anglerfish. Scary but cool.
Anglerfish, anglerfish. Beluga whale, beluga whale.
Who sings in the sea?
Beluga whale. La la la.
Beluga whale, beluga whale.
Sea robin. Sea robin. What has wings in water?
Sea robin. Flap, flap.
Sea robin. Sea robin. Let's review the words.
Plankton, plankton.
Seaweed. Seaweed.
Swordfish, swordfish. Barracuda, barracuda. Manta ray, manta ray. Moray eel, moray eel. Pufferfish, pufferfish. Anglerfish, anglerfish. Beluga whale, beluga whale.
Sea robin. Sea robin. You have learned 10 ocean animals in English. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Watch our next videos to learn more vocabulary. Thank you for watching.